I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Thinkorswim platform. First, you'll need to download the desktop application, which is available through your brokerage account. Once installed, log in using your credentials. You can choose between a live trading account or the paper money simulation to practice without real funds. Take a moment to explore the main window, which features 8 key tabs, and the left sidebar, where you'll find various gadgets. For active trading, remember to enable real-time data in your application settings. Navigating Thinkorswim is straightforward once you understand its layout. The left sidebar is home to customizable gadgets, including watch lists and live news, keeping essential information at your fingertips. The main window is organized into 8 tabs, such as Monitor, Trade, Analyze, and Charts, each offering distinct functionalities. You can easily customize your chart's appearance, adjusting candle settings and time frames to suit your analysis. Don't forget to explore the Education tab for helpful tutorials on platform features and trading strategies. Placing trades on Thinkorswim can be done efficiently. For stocks, navigate to the Trade tab and click on the Ask Price to Buy or the Bid Price to Sell. The Active Trader tab is excellent for day trading, allowing for quick order entry and setting up bracket orders with profit targets and stop losses. You can customize your order defaults, like the number of shares or option contracts, in the application settings. For options, simply click the Ask Price to Buy a call or the Bid Price to Sell, then adjust quantity and order type. Monitoring your trading activity and customizing your platform are key. The Monitor tab is your central hub for tracking orders, positions, and account statements. To visualize your account's growth, add the Account Netliq study to any chart, which displays your net liquidation over time. You can personalize the platform's appearance by adjusting color schemes and font sizes in the application settings. Furthermore, create custom screeners and watch lists to identify trading opportunities that align with your specific investment criteria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.